Yeah, welcome back, my superstars. And if you're just joining us, you are welcome. Today, I came to tell you to stop ajo, stop contribution. My superstars, please stop ajo, stop contribution. It is not safe. It's a very risky method of saving money. Okay, my superstars, please don't do it again. If you used to do it before now, don't do it again. It's very, very risky. Apart from that, you do not get any interest after saving your money for a very long period of time. All you get is your capital, your bulk money, but no interest at all. And it's risky. So please don't do it again. In this video, I'll be telling you why you shouldn't do ajo, also known as contribution, and I'll also give you a better means. I'll tell you better means of saving your money that will be safe and also gives you interest after savings. So my superstars, watch to the end of this video. All right, let's start. But for those who are wondering what is ajo, what is contribution? Ajo, also known as contribution by some people, is the old method of saving money. When we had banks newly and so many people were not aware of saving in the bank, so many people were afraid of saving in the bank, people came up with a method of saving in which someone will, will come up with a group of people who every week or monthly save 10,000 naira or 20,000 naira. Okay, the person will go about collecting the money in bulk weekly or monthly, and at the end of the month, or they package the money together as bulk and give it to one person. Okay, so one person goes home with a bulk sum of money after every month. So this method worked for a lot of people in the olden days because it helped them to save. There are people who had problems with saving, so this method compelled them to save. Okay, when that person comes, they have no other choice than to give the money for the person to go and save for them. And to save first, a lot of them saved. Okay, so many people were happy that they could be able to come up with bulk money and solve a problem when they have need for it. But you know what? It is very, very risky. Things have changed, my superstars. We have more modern ways of saving money that not only gives you your money after savings, it gives you profit. Ajo is risky, very, very risky. What happens if the person who is the leader dies? What happens? The person who heads the contribution group suddenly dies. How do you get your money back? Okay, I had a case like that where the person who headed the contribution group died suddenly, and by the time they went to meet the family members, they said they know absolutely nothing about it, and that was the end. People lost their hard-earned money in that savings group. Or how about a case where the contribution leader ran away, disappeared with the money, left everyone in that group stranded, suddenly disappeared. They searched everywhere, they couldn't find the person, and that was the end of it. So all the money you had worked for, in one day you lose it because you gave it to someone to hold it for you when you can do it yourself. Okay, my superstar, so it's a very, very risky venture. Or is it a case where in those days where they used to pay the money by hand, not into bank accounts? I heard of a case where when the money was given to a specific person, okay, someone from that same group informed thieves and they visited the person's house and beat the person black and blue and absconded with the money. Okay, so it is a very, very risky method of saving that exposes you to a lot of risk. I know it's always very beautiful, it's always very colorful, because when you belong to groups like that, sometimes they organize end of the year parties, they come up with uniforms where they grace people's occasion whenever there's an occasion from any member of that group. It is very, very colorful, and people love that about it. It gives them a sense of belonging. But now we have gone beyond the time where people do shakara. We need profits. Okay, so right now I'll be telling you how you can save your money that will give you interest after savings, and also ensure that your money is safe and intact. All right, the first method is by saving your money in a bank. Yes, every bank has a method in which, if you want to save, you go and meet them. They open a unique account for you. You tell them the amount you want to save every month and when you want it deducted from your account. So every month at that time, that specific amount you specified will be moved from your account to the savings account, the special savings account. They save it for you, and at the duration, the end of the duration, you need your money back, it will be automatically returned back to your account. Okay, so this is a modern way of saving where you are safe. Nobody knows how much you have saved at the end of the day. Nobody knows your story, nobody knows anything, and you don't have to go dragging someone to give you your money, give you your money, give you your money. Your money is not with someone who's making wild profits from your money. Okay, it is safe and intact. So that is a better way to save money. In the meantime, have you liked this video? If you have not, please hit the like button and share this video. Thank you. Let's continue. Another way to save money is by opening a fintech bank account. We have so many fintech banks where you can save your money and then have a return on investment of 10 to 15%. Okay, depending on the interest rate. Fintech banks operate virtually, they operate online, but they operate on the same principles like every other bank. Okay, but the difference is that it is virtual. They don't have any physical office or all that. Okay, so we have fintech banks like PiggyVest. PiggyVest is an online bank. It operates on the same principle like other banks. And to open an account like that, you need the same things you need to open a physical bank account. You need a means of identification, you need a phone number, you need a passport, you need your name, okay, to open this bank account. And when you do, you'll be given a unique bank account number just like the other banks, and then from there you can transfer your money there and save it. After every month you'll be given interest. So this is another good way to save your money, and you have a return on investment after every month. Okay, they also have other fixed plans, ways you can save your money. Depending on the longer you save your money, the more the return on investment, the same interest rates. Okay, so carry out your research, and if you are satisfied, you can go ahead and save your money. We also have another fintech bank known as Cowrywise. Cowrywise. Cowrywise is just like PiggyVest and also operates virtually. Okay, they operate on the same principles like the conventional bank. Okay, you can use you use the same things you need to open the physical bank to open a Cowrywise account. All right, so when you've opened, you save your money, and at the end of every month you get interest on your money. So you see that your money is working. It's not a case where you gave somebody your money to go and enjoy and all that. Your money is working, and it increases after the stipulated time. And on Cowrywise, they also have packages different depending on how long you want to fix your money, save it, the interest rates and all that. So my superstars, please stop keeping your money, stop doing actual, please. We are in the modern times, we are in a new dispensation altogether. Things have changed. A lot of things have changed. Stop operating old syllabus and undergoing lots and lots of risk. Please save your money the right way, and not just save, grow your money. All right. Have you had any experience about Ajo contribution? Please write it in the comment section. And if you're feeling me, please give me a thumbs up. A thumbs up. All right. Okay. If you have not subscribed, please take a second to hit the subscribe button, like and share this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching, my superstars. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.